That's one.
Hartfield House Care Home. There's a Hartfield Road down here. Oh, for God's sake.
Oh, I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel like I'm not here. Oh.
For God's sake.
Sorry.
God's sake, Daniel, blow your bloody nose.
Oh, now I want my videos to go viral, so I'm not gonna blow it. I'll let it wobble it and annoy me. Sorry. Sorry, that's my leg.